KVEX. Hi there, Prakash here from prakashcvs.com. Welcome to my KVEX review. I'm here inside the members area of KVEX. During this video, I will be giving a demo of exactly what is inside the members area and how it works. Actually, KVEX is a cloud-based software with which you can get clients, and it gets clients from Facebook and also from Google, direct to Google. It gets the leads from there, and you can use it to make your own campaigns. I'll just give a run through of what it is, and KVEX will help you in finding leads and solving real business problems while making money in just a few clicks. And KVEX is definitely newbie friendly, and anybody without any knowledge of no great marketing skills, of course he should have a little knowledge about web design and development, little bit, so that he can really do a good job in this particular field. So if you can offer this service on Fiverr and also make a lot of money on Fiverr also. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, just hang on till the end of this video, so that you will really be learning a lot in this video. And all you have to do is click the link in the description below. Yeah, this will take you to my bonus page, which looks something like this. You have to scroll the bonus page and click on these orange button here, and this will bring you to my sales page, which looks like this. And you just have to click on this link here to get access to this particular software. And this will be live as on 24th of October, 10 a.m. Eastern, and this will just cost you around $17. See, I don't want you to miss this offer, because I have put a lot of bonuses which are complementary to KVEX, and which you can really use KVEX to the full extent if you use my bonuses along with this particular KVEX software. And I don't want you to miss on these offers, and I just want you to go through the bonuses what I have put in for you. So I'll just go through the bonuses now. Bonus number 1, what I have for you is, bonus number 1 is you got how to build your buyers list while profiting. See, actually KVEX is, of course, you'll be having a lot of leads here, and how do you really build a list of all these buyers and how do you make them recurring buyers is all about this particular thing of how to build your buyers list while profiting. Bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. It exactly goes fantastically well with this particular software KVEX. You really require email marketing here, and here I'm going to teach you the 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. And bonus number 3 is you're going to get Facebook Ninja, and Facebook Ninja is all about retarget your ads and products so that it will reach a wide range of audience, especially on Facebook. So this is an Facebook method of how you can really build leads and how you can convert them into raving fans and customers. So, and bonus number 4 is you're going to get the 10K email manifesto. This is nothing but a course of how you can do email marketing and email business and earn as much as 10,000 per month. This is the email manifesto, a fantastic it's a full-fledged email marketing course what I'm giving you here. So this is the thing, bonus number 4. And bonus number 5 is all the vendor bonuses. The bonuses the vendor has given me to give it away to you, so that you can make use of this software in a full-fledged way. And the 5 bonuses with the vendor has given me is, he has given me Article Builder Pro, he's given me a List Buildio, Webio FB, 81% discount on all upgrades. That is the bonus number 4, and bonus number 5 is 30 agency licenses. So you will be getting all these vendor bonuses along with my bonuses absolutely 100% free of charge and instantly delivered to you, even if you pick up the front end, which is just going to cost you around $17. To get these bonuses, all the bonuses advertised here, you just have to click the link in the description below, and which will take you to the bonus page I explained to you, which will bring you to this page. And this page, click on these links here, which will take you to the sales page, and there you can access the product. And now the biggest question is, how do I get access to my bonuses? Now when you click on these bonus page, and when you come to this access button here, it will immediately direct you to the to a payment gateway of Warrior Plus. And after you gone through the payment procedure, what will happen is it will bring you to a page like this. All you have to do is, this is a Warrior Plus page. You have to click on the username or your affiliate ID here, which will bring a drop down menu which will take you to purchase history. And when you click on this purchase history, it will take you to a page where it is written KVEX, and there you press that button, you come to a receipt page here. And in the receipt page, you're going to access your product when you click on the green button, and down below is when you click the blue button, you're going to get access to all the bonuses what I advertised here. You don't have to send me your email ID, or you don't have to give me any of the thing that is required. You just have to click this blue button, and you're going to get this particular all the bonuses that are advertised here. So, and as far as the vendor bonuses are concerned, you will get them straight on the members area of this KVEX when you buy it. So I just wanted to go through the different front ends and OTOs what he has given here for you. OTO number 1 is, but before that, the front end is, which is cost you around $17 commercial license. So in the front end, you're going to get a lead finder tool, a private training done for you, HQ website. I'm going to explain all these things in the members area. And the number 2 is OTO KVEX Pro, which costs you around 27 US dollars. Here your leads are going to increase 2 times with the lead finder tool. Here you're going to get a built-in SEO tools for SEO agency, inbuilt YouTube SEO suite for YouTube video and channel SEO, unique website auditing tools, step-by-step training and tutorials. Comes with commercial license, so full cloud-based system, and you're going to get a 24/7 ultra support. I feel OTO 1 will really complement. If you're really interested in doing business with this particular KVEX, I think OTO 2 is a fantastic tool, and you have to go into OTO 1. OTO 2 is agency. You get an agency license, and you'll get fast. Again, you're going to get 5 fast action bonuses in OTO 2. OTO 3 is you're going to get a done for you edition that costs you $97, and enterprise. And OTO 4 is enterprise edition, which costs you 67 US, and you're getting a reseller license at 97 US. So these are, and you can just come and check at your own time, read all these things through, and really, if you like it, you can purchase the OTOs. And let us go to the sales page and have a quick look at the sales page, what the sales page has got to say. A unique app automatically finds unlimited desperate clients for you. Yes, of course. Simply copy and paste 3-minute service. No one-time fee, no domain required, no technical skills. I told you it's a cloud-based platform which hosts everything for you. So it is a very good platform in which you have got all these things on the cloud. So it is very helpful for you, especially in this particular this one. Now what is going to happen is, now I don't want to waste any more time here. I quickly want to head into the members area and explain what the whole thing is all about for you. So the members area looks like this, and here I want to just have a quick demo of what it is to find leads. Suppose now you want to just you can enter any keyword here, and I have entered here pets in London. So if you want to find out pet shops in London and you want to shoot a mail to them, so all you have to do is just press the find button, and you know you're going to get all the pet shops in London. Pets in London, Real Pets in London, and all these are nothing but the pet shops in London. And suppose you can go to this particular website here, and you want to offer an SEO service here on this website. See this somewhere there are a lot of mistakes over here. There's nothing here he's selling really. He's gone. He just put a there's a website here, and really there's a lot you can do on this website actually. So, and you can just go to the above page, you can just click on this particular thing, and you can just write to them saying that you are interested in giving a service to them, and definitely yes, they are going to come back. Some people are going to come back, some are not going to come back. So here, how do you send an email to them is just go here, create a campaign. Yeah, create a campaign, and to whom you want to send, you can just send an email, and you can write an address and message. And of course down here you got a lot of email templates where you can just done for you email templates. You can just copy an email template, just make a necessary modifications and send it to them. Now after suppose you get a reply from them, and you want to make a website of pets, then what you do is go into this particular HQ website tool, and now you can just find a pet web template here. Just you have to preview this, just if you like this. Yeah, since now you got a complete thing of this is a pet clinic. Now you want something about a pet shop, then what you do is there are a lot of pet related websites here. You can just go there and you can find something for a pet shop, and you can really do it. So now you have got a lot of video templates, mobile web templates. You got done for you HQ themes. Then you got around 18,000 different visual assets. Now these are stock images what you can just you can put them in your this one, put them on your videos to make them more attractive. Then you got image editor here where you can edit your images and you can make it much more attractive. Then you got tutorials of fantastic full-fledged tutorials you got here how to use KVX, and also these are the tutorials for pro also, and there are about 9 tutorials here you can use. So that is thing. And now all your no I just wanted to take you to the other this one here. Now you can upgrade to upgrade KVX to the next level, but I really suggest you upgrade it because you have a lot of pro tools here. I just want to show you the pro tools. There are very good pro tools which you can use here along with KVX. Pro tool number 1 is you have got a lot of you've got your SEO tools, meta tag generator, meta tag analyzer, keyword position checker, robo text generator. Then you got a keyword suggestion tool, then Google index checker, then a keyword density checker. You got a lot of these SEO tools are there, so you can really use all these. There are blogging tools. This comes in upgrade number 1, and there are server tools, a lot of server tools, my IP address checker, then domain into IP. So you got a lot of these things, and there are a lot of basic tools are there. Alexa checker, Moz. Then you got a lot of these tools. Then you got website tools. My God, there's a lot of tools you got. You got also search engine spider simulator, broken link finder, code to ratio checker. Then these are all very good tools which you can use for this one. So there are also you're getting extra web templates and SEO templates and all these things you're getting here. So it is very useful. Your pro number 1, these are the extra stock images you'll be getting along with this pro version 1. So I feel it, and you're getting a lot of quick bonuses here along with this. So I feel the pro version is really worth it to go in for a pro version if at all you're thinking of a serious business of serious web development business and digital marketing business. Then this is the tool for you. This is the thing go to for you. So to get all these bonuses, all the bonuses what I told you, along with along with the vendor bonuses. All you have to do is click on this link in the description below, which will take you to the bonus page. And in the bonus page, you just click on any of these orange buttons, and which will take you to the sales page, and you can access that. You can access the product over there. So if you like this video, so kindly help me by subscribing this video, and also to help me more, to encourage me to do more videos like this, and wherein and kindly comment and also like this video to help me in ranking better. So thank you very much, and until the next review video, goodbye.